What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So this one is, we got another kit of the month. This one actually came right on time. Look at this. It's the 31st of July. Had to look at the calendar for a sec. July. We got our July kit of the month from JR Models. So let's waste no time. Crack into this thing and see what we got. And we will be opening this one. I did get some comments saying, man, could you open it? I wish you could open it. So I think for now on we will open these kits because I do get a lot of comments, and you know, figured why not. And it's basically unboxing, so we'll do it. Plus we're gonna do unboxing on it anyway, you know, for Unbox Monday. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Oh, we got our goodies on top this time. That's actually probably the coolest sticker ever. We're gonna look at that here in a minute. It's backwards. It's not upside down, which is good. Look at this. We got a Dodge Charger. I'm gonna ahead and pull this one out. And this one, I believe, I don't have a Dodge Charger kit in my stash. Or I now have one as a race car. So JD Safety Racing, you want to call it. 1977 Dodge Charger. Really cool kit. I don't really know much about this driver, so I'm not going to tell you much about him because honestly, I tried doing research. I couldn't really find much, you know, like stuff to really talk about. So, but this is a really cool Charger. 1977 is probably one of the coolest years. My dad actually has 1977 Ford pickup. So really cool, but we'll get to it here in a sec. We're gonna go to the goodies first. This, like I mentioned, this is probably the coolest sticker. I'm gonna hang this one up somewhere. This is wicked cool. Oh my gosh, that is really cool. WJR Models, made in America. You got a bald eagle there. Really cool. We're definitely gonna be hanging that one up somewhere. And then, of course, we got our free decals. Plus, we got a Chevrolet decal sheet. So we got a Chevrolet. And what did we get this time? Let's see, we got a Kyle Larson. We did. We got a Kyle Larson decal sheet. Oh, this is his oh, what is this? This is the the Coca-Cola 600. The Coca-Cola 600, because he has one of the soldiers like names for his window strip, for his window name. Oh, really cool. I forgot the name of the paint scheme, but I believe this is the 2023. I believe it is. I believe it is. Yeah. What's that? I believe this is a 2023. I don't know. It might be his 2023. Because visually it'll say the 75th anniversary. That does not say it just says soldiers. So, and it doesn't say down here. So I'm gonna assume this is a 2023 version. This is really cool. So this is for his Coca-Cola 600, because Coca-Cola 600 is it's actually the biggest race in NASCAR history because it's 600 miles, and it's on the was it Memorial Day weekend or something like that. And then here's the white decal sheet, just in case you don't want to, you know, paint the white. So, pretty cool. Very cool decal sheet. I'm definitely going to be doing that one. That's really cool. So, regardless, let's get back to the kit of the month. This one, it has good weight to it. So, that means I'm going to assume there's going to be chrome in here. I'm just going to assume that because I have no idea what's in these Charger kits because I've never owned one. This is actually my first one I've owned. So we're going to go ahead and open it because I'm actually kind of curious. And again, a lot of you guys want me to open these kits here on camera for you guys. So we will do so. And there we go. Ooh, look at that. Look at that Dodge Charger body. Oh, that's slick. That is slick. So just in case you're wondering, was this an old Revell monogram kit? No. This one was designed by Jim. I should just say his name on it. There it is. WJR Models, designed by Jim. So here we go. It is designed by Jim. So this was not a Revell monogram kit. What's what we do? We have a little nipple right there. little nipple, so not too big a deal. But yeah, really cool. We got a charger. We got some shredded tires. Yes, 1977. I do believe, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I do believe that's when NASCAR was using shredded tires. They didn't go to fully slicks quite yet. But really cool, very nice settled shredded tires. But that's really cool. So really neat, and these are still really hard vinyl. So we got that, and then we got our clear parts. Nothing to really speak about there. Pretty basic. We got a metal axle just kind of peeking through, so don't lose that. That just must be free, looks like. Then we got our molded parts. Again, I'm gonna open this like when I do an unboxing video, but we're not here to see all contents. We're here to see decals. Then of course we got our silver parts and stuff. Our interior pieces are in 2 halves. I believe this chassis they use this on the Monte Carlos, I believe, because it has a multi-piece chassis. It's on the bottom, but I believe you can set the different wheel dimensions on that. So then we got more white molded parts. We got our hood and more interior components, wheels, chassis or roll cage. Look at that little fine detail. Isn't that cool or what? So these are open. Oh, they're actually open. I'm not gonna go through that. Oh, yep, there it is. This explains why the box is heavy. I didn't know there was any chrome in here. Yes, it's open. Okay, this I will show. Aha, this famous Salvino JR's chrome, the best chrome in model history. I am gonna put that out there. If you don't believe me, this is real chrome. This is actual chrome. This tree has some weight to it. I mean, we'll get a magnet. We got a magnet right here. Sticks. It literally sticks to it. There's not much grip to it, but that is, look at that. I'm telling you, it's real chrome. It's real metal. It sticks to magnets. This is real chrome. That's how this stuff is amazing. And you are not gonna be able to strip this. So just if you ask me if you can strip this, no, you cannot strip it unless you know what kind of special stripper you can strip metal with, because you cannot strip this. This is actual metal. Of course, you can see there, real chrome, and there's no reason to strip it. This is really amazing. And visually, you know me, I strip my chrome and repaint it anyway, because most kits, or I should say all kits, the chrome doesn't look realistic. This is realistic, and I have no potential on stripping this. There's no reason to, because this is just amazing. And as you can see, look at that magnet sticking to it. We actually got a flat surface. Really cool. JR Models chrome is just the best chrome you can ever get, and that's basically a lot of money right there. I mean, that's worth the whole kit right there of the money. We got the instruction sheets. I believe we got their decals in here as well. Okay, so we got that instruction sheet. This is really high quality paper, so we don't need an instruction sheet. We're gonna look at the decals. I believe this is new for them. They are doing the instructions, or for the decal placement, nice and large and big, which is cool, because I guess a lot of people were kind of complaining to them, like, could you just do this as one big sheet? And I guess they couldn't for a while, but now they are. So really cool. And of course, we got our final assembly back here for just for the charger, because again, like I said, that chassis shares with the Monte Carlo and all that good stuff. So, or the Monte Carlo and I believe the Oldsmobile. So let's go ahead and show you the decal sheet. This is probably the smallest decal sheet out there. I mean, this is really the size as the Chevy, the Chevy and the Ford. I believe it is. Yeah, it is. That's cool. So yeah, this is the whole decal sheet. This is a decal sheet for the entire car. So if you want to get into NASCAR and you're not a big fan of decals, or you can't do decals, this is probably going to be the best or easiest decal placement you can ever do. Because look at this. This is all it is. I mean, this is literally all the decals. There's no like potential hard corners you have to go around. So if you want to get into NASCAR and you just don't know about decals, or you can't do decals, you're not a fan of decals, this is easy peasy right here. This is really crazy easy. I don't think you really need much softening solution for this. You just need, you know, the marble set, and just put this on there, and it's gonna flatten stuff out now. Like, I mean, this is really easy decal sheet. That's probably one of the easiest decal sheets you can get out there. So that's it. I just want to show you guys. Again, I don't know much about this charger, so I can't really tell you much about the story of this guy and this driver. But all I know, it's a really cool model. I'm gonna try to do my research on it, and but before I build it. But you know, but very cool. It's a very cool kit. I believe our next Builders Month kit of a month, for next month, might be in our charger. I believe it's just a different driver. So really cool. But yeah, really cool. And we got ourselves a nice charger body, and I never owned one, so now I have one in stash. I got one for a discount, of course, for the Builders Club and all that fun stuff. So that's it, guys. Again, if you want to join the Builders Club from JR Models, again, links are in the description to the website. Go there, and then you can sign up, and you can cancel your subscription anytime you want. But I think it's a really good deal, because you're getting the kit as a discount, you are getting free decals, you're getting once a month you are getting a badass sticker, such as one of these. This is really cool. This is probably the best sticker so far. But alright guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, so until my next video, we'll catch you next time.